Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I want to review a new software that actually just launched today, being the 16th of September 2021. Now, the name of this software is called WordPress Link Fixer. Are you aware that there's a new update from Google that says if you have a blog post or an article that carries affiliate links and you refuse to indicate boldly on that affiliate link to your readers that is actually an affiliate link, by you putting there like written boldly like this is sponsored, meaning affiliate link, if you fail to put it there for your readers, henceforth Google says they are going to start shutting down such articles, blog posts, or write up whatever it is that you write online with affiliate link. Meaning whatever you write online and you expect Google to rank it for you and it carries affiliate link, you must state it clearly to your readers that this thing is actually an affiliate link and is sponsored. Now you have a whole lot of blog post articles that you've written in the past. You going back and start fixing those links, putting sponsored on those affiliate links, it will be very, very cumbersome and very, very tiring for you. That you and I will know. So now there's a software which is called WordPress Link Fixer. It helps you to actually fix that area or that challenge. Okay, so whenever you write your blog post, your article, and you embed affiliate links there, this software actually goes in there and puts in that sponsored on those affiliate links you have on your article without making it visible to your readers. Okay, but Google algorithm will be able to see it that this link is actually written boldly sponsored. Okay, don't worry, it might sound like a cliche to you now, but when we get into the members area proper, I will show you step by step on how this thing is actually done without you falling into the trap of Google, because Google says soon they will start deranking all those websites, all those pages, articles, blog posts that does not stipulate clearly that there are affiliate links in that blog post or article. They are going to start deranking them. They will stop ranking on Google. Okay, now if this is something that actually interests you, if you want to make sure that your article and your blog posts are always ranked on Google, then stick with me as I take you directly to my review page, then to the sales page, and I'll show you everything how this thing is done. Okay, and remember, I have exclusive bonuses for you, exclusive bonuses that will actually complement you getting WordPress Link Fixer. These are not general bonuses, these are bonuses that are tailored specifically to help you grow your business. Okay, now if this interests you, stay with me while we go to the review proper. Yeah, so guys, let's get into the review of the product proper. Now, like I rightly told you, WordPress Link Fixer will actually help you to solve the issue of not getting your articles or your blog post deranked by Google. Okay, like you can see here, it says don't get penalized by Google, fix all your existing spam link. Okay, that is what this software will help you to do. Don't get penalized by Google. Google is at it again. They are making all algo updates. Okay, and this time affiliate links are being hit. Can you imagine how long it will take to go back and update all the links on all your existing contents? Hours, days, probably weeks. Or you can get WordPress Link Fixer to do it all for you on the fly, and it will give you a daily report to show you which link are problematic. Okay, so you can when you click the link below this video, it will bring you actually to this review page, so you can read all through here. Okay, there's a video guide here that will actually show you how this whole thing works. But before we continue with this review, let me quickly show you the bonuses I told you I have for you. These are exclusive bonuses, like I rightly told you, and they are bonuses that will actually complement WordPress Link Fixer. Okay, I want to believe at this point in time you have a website, or you have a blog post, or you have something to do with you publishing something online, right? Okay, so let's get to the bonuses. Now these are my bonuses. Okay, now let's look at the bonus number one. The bonus number one I'll be giving you is called Web List Pro software. Now, what is List Pro software? It's a software that actually helps you to show pop-ups, okay, on your website. You know, sometimes when people just come to your website, they just kind of glance through and they want to dash out of your website. Now, what this software does is that it brings up, it could be an ad, it could be an opt-in page, it could be just something that will get they'll help you get something actually from the visitor without them just dashing into your website and then dashing out. Okay, so I'll be giving you this particular software for free. WebList Pro is a pop-up software, okay, for building lists, allowing you to turn any ordinary visitor into a highly profitable subscriber. Okay, creating engaging pop-up is not as easy as it sounds. Also, building lists to boost conversion and sales is one of the topmost concern of every online marketers. Okay, this software will actually help you to build your email lists. Okay, so it collects like all the email address and the phone number of people that comes to visit your website. Okay, so I'm giving you this free if you get WordPress link fixer from my link below this video. The bonus number two I'll be giving you is called WordPress video attention. With the help of this new powerful and easy to use WordPress plugin, you can add engaging video as a widget to any corner on your web page. Okay, so you can add like attractive video, okay, on any corner of your website. So now the beauty of it is this: you can use this to keep people engaged on your website. Okay, so you don't actually lose attention of your visitors as they come to your website. In the process of watching that video, you are actually selling something to your visitors, or you are showing them an information that ordinarily they will not even pay attention to. Okay, you can also add countdown to whatever you have on your website from this plugin, this WordPress plugin. Okay, you can add share button animation. There are a whole lot of things you're going to get from this particular bonus. If you have, especially if you have a WordPress website, then you must get this. If you want to get people engaged on your website, you want to give them attention, you want to add timer to your website, a whole lot you're going to get from this bonus number two. Then the bonus number three is called newbie traffic system. You and I know that if you have an online business, there's no way you can generate leads, there's no way you can make sales, there's no way you can make money if you don't have traffic. Okay, now getting traffic, you need to understand the nitty-gritty of how to drive traffic to your website, right? Now, most especially if you want to drive free traffic. So fortunately, I am providing this package that includes series of video tutorial that actually shows you how you can drive organic traffic to whatsoever you promote online. Okay, be you product or be it services, whatever you promote online. In this video series, you are going to learn how to drive traffic organically. Now, paid traffic is good, but if you cannot afford paid traffic and you're looking at how to drive free traffic to your product or your services, this bonus, you're going to get a series of video that shows you how to do that. Then the bonus number four I'm going to give you is called WordPress Headline Pro. See, let me say this: when people come to your blog post, or when people see a write-up, what actually draws their attention first is the headline. Okay, so now what this WordPress plugin will actually do for you is actually to show you how to write proper headline, proper topic for your article or your blog post. You see, every marketer tries different headlines on their sales page and squeeze pages in order to maximize their sales and opt-in rates. Okay, it's a fact that the headline on your page determines whether people will even bother to read the rest of your pages or not. Okay, it's not easy to tell which headline will convert well just by looking at them, but finding a good headline can easily double, okay, the response of your offer. Okay, so that is the reason why you need this particular bonus. If you have something to do with articles, blog posts, or write-up for your product or services, you need this software to help you write proper headline. Okay, and also I'll be giving you all the bonuses the vendor asked me to give to you, right? Okay, Now you see the bonuses I'll be giving you. Bonus number 1 is called Web List Pro Software. Bonus number 2 is called WordPress Video Attention, Newbie Traffic System, WordPress Headline Pro. Okay, that's the 4 bonuses I'll be giving you, with that of the bonuses the vendor asked me to give to you. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go into the software proper, so you get to see exactly how this WordPress Link Pro works. So I'm going to allow my friend Matt to show you step by step how this WordPress Link Fixer actually works. Matt.
This is just a quick video to show you how it works and why you should be using it on all your WordPress sites. Google recently announced they're rolling out a new update that targets link spam, specifically affiliate links, sponsored links, and paid links. Google said, in our continued effort to improve the quality of the search results, we're launching a new link spam fighting change today, which we call the link spam update. This algorithm update is even more effective at identifying and nullifying link spam more broadly across multiple languages. Sites taking part in link spam will see changes in search as those links are reassessed by our algorithms. What does this mean? Quite simply, if you've got affiliate, sponsored, or paid links on your site, you need to mark them appropriately using the nofollow and sponsored tags. Now, have a quick think about that. How many hours, or indeed days, could it take you to go through all your existing content, updating all your existing links on your site? Exactly, it's a major headache. However, WP Link Fixer fixes that by dynamically adding the relevant tags to all your links in all your existing and new content automatically for you. Let me show you it in action. Okay, so here I am on one of my blogs and we're on a post that has some affiliate links on it. If I hover over this one, if you look in the bottom left hand corner, you can see that it says confirm.spinsphere.hop.clickbank.net. It's a standard ClickBank affiliate link. And if I right click on this and choose inspect, I'm in Chrome, so it actually brings up an inspection tool where I can see the code for that link, and you can see there are no rel tags for nofollow or sponsored appearing in that. So that's how it appears right now. What I'm going to do is close this down and I'm going to go across to my blog and I'm simply going to activate WP Link Fixer. Once that's activated, we'll play with the settings. It takes just a second or two to update them. Okay, so the plugin's activated and I'm going to scroll down to where I can find it in the menu where it says WP Link Fixer. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to change the settings in the plugin. First thing we do is tick the option to make it active. Then from the drop down list here, we choose no follow rather than follow. And then we can also add the sponsored tag as well so that we've got no follow and sponsored, and we click on update settings. And that's basically it. Now I've just gone with the external links global option. There are more options and you have a lot more control over how it works and which links get updated dynamically for you. I'll cover those all in the tutorial videos. However, we've done this, so all we're going to do is pop back to our blog. We're going to refresh this page to make sure the latest information and the plugin is actually working. And you can see it's refreshed because my ad bar at the top has come up. So all I'm going to do again is hover over this link and right click and choose inspect again. And this time it's added the tag rel nofollow and sponsored. So that is now meeting Google's spam links criteria. So we're not going to be penalized. We're not going to have a problem with Google because of our affiliate links. And it will do that to all my posts and all my affiliate links across my whole blog. It really couldn't be any easier than this. No matter how much content you have, no matter how many affiliate links, sponsored links, or paid links you have, your blogs are now safe from the Google spam link update. And it took just moments to do. That's WP Link Fixer for you, the power of the plugin to fix all your links on all your sites in moments. Install WP Link Fixer today and keep your sites safe from the latest Google update.
Yeah, so now I want to believe that you actually understand or understood how this software actually works. You can see that this is something that is very necessary for you if you have a blog, a website, or you write online, or you use any of those free websites like Medium or Google site, right? You see that you actually need this particular WordPress link fixer. One of the major reasons why you need this is that you wouldn't want your articles to be deranked. You wouldn't want your blog post to be deranked by Google. You've put in so much effort into putting up those articles and those blog posts, and for Google to derank them, I don't think it will be a good tale for you. So for that reason, I will actually encourage you to pick WordPress link fixer from my link which is below this video. And mind you, when you pick WordPress link fixer from my link below this video, you are also getting all those bonuses I showed you. Let me go through the bonus once again. WebList Pro software, WordPress video attention, newbie traffic system, and WordPress headline pro. Okay, now when you come down my review page here, when you click on this link here, just click on this link and it will bring you, okay, into the sales page here. It will bring you into the sales page proper here. Okay, to bring you into the sales page proper, you know, like I rightly told, software is actually launching today. Okay, so you'll be able to get the software at 10 a.m. New York time, being 16th of September 2021. Okay, remember, the link is below this video. Just go ahead and click the link below this video and you get to see all you need to get from me when you get WordPress Pro from my link below this video. Okay, thank you for watching my review. And also remember, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also remember to click the notification button so that when next I post another valuable review, you'll be the first to get to see it. I really appreciate your time, and bye bye for now.